will discuss about data validation, how to validate the data, how to make a validated data. Means we can restrict user to enter only particular data. Okay, so let's see how to do it. Suppose I have a column here, say marks. Okay, this is the column marks, and here I am going to insert the marks of these employee, whatever they got in any exam. Okay, and the marks is out of 100. So any one of these can get from 0 to 100, not more than that, and neither in the negative value. So right now, see, if I write 1000 here, so it is accepting, but it should not be like this. The mark should be in between 0 to 100. So we need to validate the data. Okay, so we will select this range where we want to apply this. Okay, then again we will go to data. Now see this data tool. To validate the data, we need to see for this data tool, and this is the option. If you can see data validation, okay, this one, click on it, the dialog box will appear. Okay, so in place of any value, we need to select whole number so that the user cannot enter negative values. Okay, and we need to specify the minimum value that the user can enter and the maximum value that the user can enter. Okay, now the user will not be able to enter any value other than the value between 0 to 100. Okay, next is we can give input message also, like uh, we can write hi. Okay, and the message is enter values, enter marks between 0 to 100 only. And we can also put one error message. So let's select this to warning, or let's select it to stop, no problem. The title is you can write anything, sorry, we can write wrong input. Okay, wrong, 1 minute, wrong, wrong input. Okay, so let me correct it. Okay, now click on OK button. So uh, we have done the validation for this column in this range. Now if you will click on this, a message will appear, the input message, hi, enter marks between 0 to 100 only. So write 2, 10, 50, 99, 100. See, we have written 200, so a warning message that wrong input. And this is the input message that enter marks between 0 to 100. So you can retry and change it to 100. You can write 0. You cannot write negative value, see, because we have selected whole number. So this is the way we can validate our data. Okay, by using data validation, we can apply this to each and every column. Okay, so I hope this is clear to you all.